Before March, every sentence had to smuggle its hope past the censor.
Hi, my name is Jonas from Doing History. Today's topic, Vormärz. Vormärz means before March and refers to the period before the March Revolution of 1848, usually from 1815 to 1848 in the German-speaking states. After Napoleon's defeat, conservative rulers tried to restore order and suppress revolutionary ideas. The Carlsbad Decrees of 1819 brought censorship, surveillance, and pressure on universities and student groups. But opposition did not disappear. Liberals, nationalists, writers, and students discussed constitutions, press freedom, and German unity. So the Vormärz was a time of tension, outwardly controlled by monarchies, but underneath filled with political expectation.